Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how we can advertise by the Google Maps. So first of all, I'm checking with here my Google Map, Rakesh Tech Solutions. When I open this Rakesh Tech Solution, see the customer appearance. There's a can show option name is called advertisement. Which user your admin, they can show this option. Click for advertise. This is purely for generating for Google Map ads, but the target will be only for Google Map account, your business profile or your website. So why we can running for Google Map ad? First reason, I don't have a website. I only for Google Map is there along with my number. People will be contact my location. People reach my physical location. That you can creating for Google Map ads. So that is the reason we have to running for Google Map ad option. So compulsory when running for Google Map ads, you can follow the rules. The map will be valid with the website and the phone number. But anyone we can compulsory activate important. So that is the reason we can start with the Google Map ads. Right now, I'm not selecting for ad. So I can show your ad will be into the customers. See here. About location, photos, posts, services and reviews. Anything visible to the particular customer. Enable phone number and everything. So we can go with one map ad, three benefit. Get direction, get call, get website. Traffic. So what is my target is to reach my physical location. Google Map ad is only regarding reach on my physical location. Next, add your locations and everything keywords, how it is displayed by the mobile and desktop. Both can will be shown to the customer. Next, after that, you can select it by the what is your target? More calls, more website visit physical location, get more views engagement on your YouTube channel. Google Map is the option we can give into the customer YouTube views also. But what is my assumption? Get more visit your physical location. Next, after that, preview will be writing will be here. Services, website development, add my phone number, description right, complete three. How much you info here? Show your location to your ad. Click for next. Next will be. After that, add your keywords. So what are the keywords you can add here? What are the keyword is not available? They will show in the end of the keyword. So if someone enter your keyword is there like SMO, is not matching here. Scroll down completely, matching will be here. YouTube marketing. Yeah. Next. One is option is called your location to kilometers. Second will be zip codes. Which is better? We can utilize that only for you can target by the kilometer wise. So which we can go for kilometer wise or zip code. So which is better? Go with the kilometers. Up to what is my target is? My to up to 6 kilometers. Start with 5, end with up to 65. Kilometers are the compass important. If you create this ad, any country, same policy. What are the countries you will be create? There will be same will be create those option. Final, click for next. Select your budget. 1199 daily average 36,450 monthly max. The estimation will be 1300 to 4,600. When you're spending for 36,000 per month, the monthly ratio will be 1300 to 4,670 rupees. Budget is high, reach will be thousands, but it will be conversion will be good. That is the reason. What is your manual budget? The manual budget per day, the select will be option name is called 680 rupees. Yesterday, I discussed in the previous video. The minimum we can go with the 680. So right now 648. 638. This is the main budget. Average monthly how much reach will be? Amount will be 19,395. Estimation reach will be 692, 2,490 here. This option we can give to the particular customers. Is it clear? Finally, click the my budget. Ad will be created. Finally, click for next and launch your ad. Google Map, what is the reason for that? Mainly created without website holder, reach by physical location, and get the call button or your photos and your website link. If you have anything, will be possible that option. The mainly we can create a mapping reason is without website link, we can target our physical store to reach our audience purpose. My store is correct, but I'm unable to reach my phone number or anything. They can reach by the along with the post option. Finally, you can click will be here. This is a previous, is the name is called Google AdWords Express. Now is a smart campaign. There is nothing but chat with the Google AdWords expert. The number will be 1800-572-8304. Time will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday. Those we can follow it and make it your ad, you will create it. So any ad creation time, Google Maps, if any query, please contact our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.